Miss Augustine, do you want to tell everybody about your big adventure today? Come here.
Peekaboo, good morning, Augie. What are we doing? We're gonna go take Pyro to fly. You wanna go watch Pyro fly? You can make some bacon pancakes. You wanna make bacon pancakes on the way? Yeah, we can make bacon pancakes on the way there. Yeah, we can make lots of bacon pancakes on the way there. You can make extra bacon. With extra bacon. Okay. Augie, how you doing? She made a friend. Got it, got it, got it. There you go. Yeah!
Are you watching, brother? How did it go? She's just enjoying the sun right now. You like the sun?